Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my slime collection. But first, I found these small packets that when I buy the soft clay, it's not the slime. Then they just begin to harden. I throw them. Then I bring a lot of glue and did the slime. And with the rest, I put these slime inside. So I have 18 first. Then I throw the red because it's also hot. So first one is this purple glitter. This one. This I kinda like, and the slime that I did with the scissor you can cut it. And then this is the marbles. See the little marbles, pink and purple. Some of them slime are little. This is the least one. It's also glitter. Well, the most one I did is glitter. Only I did 1, 2, 3, 4 glitter. 4 marbles. Then this is the most one. Like really the most one. So like silvery purpley. So nice. I love this the best. And then we are going to go with the blue one. Oh, this I mix it with silver. Look. And gain another marbles one. It's like pinkish marbled. And then this glitter marbled one. Glitter with marbles. Well, this I also like it. The best thing is about it, it's when it pops. See how it pops. Then the clear one, well, I put a little bit of glitter, but it's so slimy. It's like butter slime. It stretches. And then this is the first one. The first one I made. And the red one is the last one I made. This is nice. And then another marbled one. Look. And now there are glitter out. This I put purple with purple glitter. Well, this I also like. It looks I like the first one. This is the first one. This is the second last one. Oh, I hate this one. I thought it was gonna be goldy and this stuff, but this my mom really likes it. So the rest are in the carton. Okay. These cartons. Well, what did I do? I bring this brand box and I put them right here. And the rest ones, I just put them in the tall space, so, you know what I mean? This, I mixed yellow with pink glitter. It looks really much goldy. I mean, I'm telling the truth. Then, we have this blue one. Well, I'm gonna tell you which blue I love the most, because I have 2 blues. This also glitter marbled one. This is like, it feels like sand, but stretchy. Well, that's okay. Just a second. Now I will show you my favorite blue. It's this. It's so slimy. And it has silver glitter. but it's not stretchy. Well, the color, the combination color, I really love it. But the what do you call it? But the texture, I don't really. Well, this is the best texture I have. It's like sandy and slimy. So like mixing my sand with a lot of slime. Oh. And this is the last one. This I mixed black, gold, and silver. Gold and silver and black. The slime is black. The gold and silver are the glitters. So these are all my slime collections. And I'm gonna be giving away these cards, these cupcake cards, which it's gonna be like paper consistency, but it's not like this because I wrote it so that I can do. Then you know this old slime that you get. Oops. And you'll just write it here or in the front. In the front two, in the back one. Well, I'm gonna be giving away and have fun playing with your slime. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't miss another video so you can subscribe. Bye guys.